My dear friends, life coach V.K. Chaudhry is giving you today some tips how to invest yourself. Friends, the life these days is very competitive all through the world. What you will have to do, you will have to invest in yourself so that you can excel in this world. You go for gym daily. Health is wealth. We have to take care for your health. When you are healthy, your family will be healthy and everything will be good. And accordingly, you will take your meals and all other things. I think do gym, running, yoga, whatever you like, but you do it without fail. This is going to help you in long run. Next point comes, read books. Yes, we have to read wonderful, motivational, non-fictional books. They create some energy. They give us wisdom to learn. And we do the best in our life because those books are the summary of some person's life. You learn fast. You will have to do it. Third thing comes, save money. Intelligent people say, if you save money today, it will save you tomorrow. So, never waste it on unnecessary things. Don't keep stock of the items which you don't use in your daily life. More you save, more you invest in some different plans, and it will multiply. You will be taking care of inflation rate also. Like mutual fund, stocks, these things are best. FD you can do. Fourth items comes, learn skills. Upgrade your mental software time to time with new skills. You can be master of your life. You need to think always what best version I can put in my mind's software. It is going to help you. First you learn and then earn. It is wonderful thinking the people who are going for learning skills. You may be in any field. Everywhere you can learn things. There is no doubt about it. Next comes, try always. Never give up. When you try always in your life and you have the tendency not to give up, then you are self-declared winner. You are unstoppable, my dear friends. Nobody can stop you. And this is the need of the hour. You have killing instinct when you don't give up. Sometimes people reach very near to success, but they default due to lack of confidence. If sometime it happens, just think why you have covered so much distance. So try to have that type of thinking, and that can be done with your attitude to come out of your comfort zone. Next wonderful point comes, don't waste your time. Time management is a wonderful thing. You will have to manage it thoroughly. Students can use Pomodoro scheme. It is Italian terms on tomato. But people use it too much. They take a set of 25 minutes, roughly 25 to 30 minutes. You can increase it with your practice. But suppose you have done 6 to 8. This means you have read 4 hours roughly. And that is uninterrupted study, uninterrupted detailing. You will be mastering that. And you will be having full focus during that time, and you will be working in those 200 minutes which you are not working sometime in 10 hours. Try it. I am sometimes telling this in my webinars, or it is in my blogs also. And then next point comes to-do list. We have to make our to-do list. Make priority. A priority, B priority, C priority. First finish A priority, then B, then C. But don't rush here and there much. Stick to some systematic working. It is going to give you upliftment in everything. You will be doing lot of things very easily, because you are a systematic person. And then you will be taking new tasks according to your list. Review it several times. And then, my dear, next point comes. Have good company. It may be your work field, it may be your friend circle, it may be your relatives, anything you want, you have to keep the good company, because, just listen very carefully, you are the average of 5 people around you. When you are having this thing in mind, definitely negative people need not come in your radar. You will be always with positive attitude people, and positivity is the game changer of your life, my dear friends. We should be hunger always, and these friends give you hunger habit so that you can do best in your field. Then comes, my dear friends, when you save money and you see that something is good, start some business. But in that, it should not be high profitable, but it should be giving service to the people, like motivational speaking. Then some other service which are good for the people. Anything you do, put your passion in that. Passionate working is giving you tireless working, and you will become number 1. So these are the few tips which I wanted to tell to my audience. You are great, my dear. Don't forget, God has made us to be a destiny maker. He has sent us to be a winner. So we have to do the same work in a different way. And these tips will be taking you into a new software version of yours. You will see it. These days, Clubhouse is also a very good app which is developing. I'm enjoying these days. You can also join. Link will be given in bio. Thank you very much. All the best. See you.